Let's go. And let's do a 30 roll. He was for real. That shit was fun.
I'm Jim.
I'm Gabriel.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you. Hey, I didn't expect you. I was like, a race? Hey, let's do it. I got that on camera. Yeah. I'll post it. I'll post it. Just take a picture on my Instagram. I'm gonna post you.
Okay.
That was pretty fun.
That was cool.
Yeah.
He got Instagram cool, man.
Yeah.
He's a celebrity.
I'm trying to. Yeah, I'm gonna post you, alright? Yeah,
Cool.
so, yeah.
Cool.
Alright, yeah, you have a good one.